Hi guys, this is Emmy with Entropy Crafts coming on today with a small haul from Craspire. They contacted me if I wanted to do a review for their products, and this is what I chose. So I'm gonna start with the dies. I chose these dies because I like to decorate my envelopes in the corner, and I always do it with my scissors, but I thought it would be fun to have these dies to add something special to the cards. So this is what I got. Again, my idea is to put them in the corner of the envelopes. So yes, I'm gonna try that out. And then I got this other one with flowers. This other one, and this one with a butterfly. I'm gonna put in the description below the links for the products if they are still available, and also I'm gonna put a coupon, a discount for you, so you can use it. It's Entropy 5. It's $5 off over 40, so that would be cool. And then they sent me this marble mat for the wax. I don't have this, so it's super cool, and it's pink, my favorite color. And then finally I chose this other thing. I think that's a personalized removable, because you can take it off, wax seal stamp, and it's with my logo. You can see that. I can't wait to try it out. I have my own thing, and it's super cute. Look at this, super cute. I love it. So I'm gonna put in the description below everything, just in case you are interested. I sent them to have this. I sent them a picture with my logo, and they made it from there. They even checked with me before actually doing the thing. They sent me an image like it was gonna turn out. So I'm super happy with this already. I can't wait to try it out. I'm gonna share with you guys what I do with this stuff. Thank you guys for watching my video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.